I can't do anything electrical today because we're expecting a thunderstorm. And I thought, okay, well, at least I'll open up some windows, come down here, and pull out the fridge. So question is, do I actually pull out the fridge itself? Or do I take this wall down? Except the only thing is, this wall is held on by this plastic strip. Of course, I could always put something else there. It's already cracked there anyhow, but and if I take this wall down, this wall still stays. Okay, so I guess I'll just put my gloves and my respirator on and my glasses and just see if I'm capable of pulling out the fridge.
Okay, so here goes. I moved some stuff. Let's hope this has good rollers on the bottom. Or something on the bottom. Oh my goodness. Let's see. I hope it's not too heavy. Huh. Well, I can move the door. Shoot. How am I going to move this thing? Okay. Oh my gosh. It was really jammed into here. How do I do this? And it's raining. Oh, okay, that'll work. I'll just pull from the bottom. That moves pretty easily from the bottom. Ah! Leave the door open, you hit yourself on the head otherwise. Wow. Eeks, creaks. Goodness. Okay. Look at that. It's coming out. Oh my goodness gracious. All rusted. I'll have to paint that. Actually, it's quite easy to move, which is surprising to me. Now I'm going to have to move it this way so I can close the door on it. It's actually surprisingly light. Okay. This out of the way. Just going to walk it a little. Been wanting to do this for a while. Won't be able to get back to the back of the RV. Okay. And where are my flashlights? In the back of the RV. Ah, here's one. These aren't very bright. They used to be. Okay. Let's take a look at the inside. I have good flashlights at home. Why don't I bring them down here? Inside even show. Okay, the vents. Let's see if there's any floor rot. Can't tell till I clean it up. But I think I'll tape those vents closed because they don't really need to be opened anymore. I guess. And unplug the fridge, of course. So let me get a broom, clean this out, and we shall see what it looks like from there. Okay, I lied. It's just kind of sprinkling. It's not really raining, so I decided to plug in. Plus, they're outdoor cords. Yeah, I can hear it raining again. If it gets to a heavy rain, then I'll have to stop. But I kind of wanted to go ahead and get all of this cleaned out with the shop vac. And I am missing a piece. Oh well, I'll get it when I need it. And I put a light in the closet up here, or in the opening. Under the dust are a whole bunch of nails. So I'll get those. I gotta pick those up. Why don't I have my gloves on? Because I keep losing them. Take them off and lose them. Took my respirator off. Lost it. Probably should put the respirator back on. Okay. Okay, if you can see right here, there is actually a little panel there that I guess is supposed to help keep the rain out. But I don't see how it could because it was still dribble over the sides. I'm not sure what that's all about. The bottom one is missing the one from it, if it ever had one. And of course, down here is the propane fixture for a propane fridge. But this is an electric fridge. This is a household fridge. Okay, so let's go in there and get those nails and really get it clean. Check that out. That's a lot of nails, and I don't know what that is. Oh, that's a piece of old wood. So anyhow, okay, all the nails are out. It's crazy. Just crazy. Maybe he had them on top of the refrigerator at one point and they fell off. I don't know. I found a lid. I'll just stick them in this lid. Okay, back to the vacuuming. Oh, there's still a nail stuck inside the vacuum thing too. Any more? Yep, couple more. Jeez, that's crazy. And a bunch of wood pieces. Or you can vacuum my floor again. There we go. Now let's give it a try. Okay, you know how this goes. I'll vacuum out this and I'll vacuum off the back of the fridge.